Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Crazy Egg for click tracking UI optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to the Crazy Egg website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with various subscription plans. Compare the plans based on your needs and select the one that suits you best. Once you've made your selection, click on the corresponding button to proceed. Fill out the required fields in the registration form, including your email address and password. After completing the form, check for any promotional codes you may have and enter them if applicable. Next, review the terms of service and privacy policy, ensuring you agree to them. Once confirmed, click the Create Account or Start Free Trial button. You may receive a confirmation email, so check your inbox and click the verification link. After verifying your email, return to the Crazy Egg website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will typically be directed to the dashboard. Here, look for an option to add your website for tracking. Enter the URL of the website you want to optimize with Crazy Egg. After entering your website URL, click the Add Website button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to install the Crazy Egg tracking code on your website. Follow the provided instructions to copy the tracking code snippet. Head over to your website's content management system or HTML editor. Locate the header section of your website's code. Paste the Crazy Egg tracking code just before the closing /head tag. Save your changes and publish the updates to your website. Once the code is installed, return to the Crazy Egg dashboard. You may need to give the app a little time to start collecting data. After waiting a brief period, click on the Snapshots tab in the dashboard. Here, you can create snapshots to analyze user behavior on your site. Select the specific page or URL you want to track for click events. Set a time duration for the snapshot, which may range from a week to a month. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.